Hello guys, and now we're off to Malaysia, and yung bus na aking sasakyan, yung schedule na is 11 in the evening. So mula sa hostel, syempre umaga pa ko, alas 8 tayo dapat pumunta doon para meron tayong waiting isang oras o 2 oras kapag sinarapan ako dyan. Wala siyang pababa na escalator. Excuse me, where is the beach road?
This one,
That one?
this whole stretch.
Okay, I'm looking for the Golden Mile Tower bus station.
What's this? Oh yeah. Okay, this was see that here.
Yes?
Just straight.
Okay.
It's basically your
Okay.
straight.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. Merry Christmas. So, yun, nahanap ko siya. Siyempre, sobrang reliable yung dito, Google Map. At saka yung transportation 10/10. Kung pwede pa ngang 10/11. 11/10 rather. So bibigyan ko siya ng ganong score kasi sobrang ang ganda-ganda ng transportation dito sa Singapore. My goodness. Walang ka-hassle-hassle. Yung MRT nila, yung subway nila parang nasa mall. Malinis, sobrang linis. And so, lalakarin ko na lang hanggang dyan. Yan yung beach road, sabi ng lalaki. Ito sa Nicole Highway. Galing akong Clarke Quay. And then, hanapin ko yung Golden Mile Tower Terminal. At doon ako maghihintay hanggang sa mag-depart yung bus ngayong 11 o'clock papuntang Malaysia. So ayan tayo. May sunog ata. So ayan, nahanap ko siya. Ang ganda dito. Nahanap ko siya. Ito yung bus terminal. Golden Mile. Yan siya, Golden Mile. I don't know if you can see, but yan siya, Golden Mile. Okay, at meron nang paalis na bus papuntang Malaysia. Here. And ito yung niya. So magtatanong tayo. Ito yung bus ko Star Mart. Double decker din siya. So ito tayo. Okay. Kunin ko na yung ticket ko. Going to Malaysia. So here's the bus. Reclining seat. Footrest. Reclining seat. And it's gonna be a 6 hours ride. Singapore to Malaysia.
Lolo, Lolo Puse.